Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the notification area and long press on Bluetooth after turning it on. Yes, I turn on Bluetooth and long press on it, and now you have to bring another device. In the another device, you have to turn on Bluetooth and long press on it and click on pair new device. It will search nearby device, that is this tablet should be detected in the new device. Yes, see here Lenovo Tab M10 third gen is showing. This is the Bluetooth name. Okay, if you would like to change this name, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just click on pair new device here too and click on device name. Okay, click on device name and here change the name. So here just I change name to Lenovo Tab Mingi and click on rename. So Bluetooth name is changed to Lenovo Tab Mingi. Now I bring another device and turn on Bluetooth and long press on it and click on pair new device. It will search new device and yes, see the change of name. Lenovo Tab Mingi is showing here. Just click on it and it can be connected. Okay, so in this way you can easily change Bluetooth name in your device, that is Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.